Watkins technique for PRE, that is progressive resistant exercises. So before going to learn about Dillon's technique, we must know RM, that is repetition maximum. What does it mean? Repetition maximum means one person can lift a weight, that is amount of weight one can lift during one time or with full range of motion. That means one repetition maximum for that person vary, that one repetition maximum is vary from individual to individual. That means amount of weight a person can lift during one time with full range of motion. For example, in case of elbow flexion, we can carry the weight over the wrist and we ask the patient to flex the elbow. If the patient can do that flexion, full flexion elbow flexion at one time, that is the one repetition maximum. That Dillon's technique is based upon the repetition maximum. So suppose one repetition maximum, if one person can lift a 10 kg weight during one time, that means one repetition maximum for that particular person is 10 kg. So based upon that principle, we calculate how much that weight is increased day to day and how much we progressively increase the resistance. So Dillon said that he gives the three lifts for a particular patient. That is, first he told that 10 lifts with half 10 repetition maximum. Suppose that 10 lifts means person can lift 10 times a particular weight. So 10 repetition maximum for a particular person is suppose 5 kg. So how we calculate that 10 lifts with half range of motion? That means 10 lifts with half 10 repetition maximum. That means half 10 repetition maximum. So patient can 10 lifts is equal to, that means 5 repetition maximum. So patient can 5 repetition maximum means 5 kg weight, because 1 repetition is 5 kg for that particular person. So 10 lifts with half range of motion means person can lift 1 repetition maximum for that person is 5 kg. Then 10 lifts with 3/4 of 10 repetition maximum. 10 lifts with 3/4 repetition maximum. 3/4 divided by 5. Accordingly, 7.5 something kg for that 10 lifts after second repetition. So next 10 lifts with 10 repetition maximum. 10 repetition maximum is nothing but the 5 kg only. Right? Matlab means 10 kg only. That means 5 kg during first, 7.5 kg during the next 10 lifts, and 10 kg for next 10 lifts. That Dillon told that 10 means 30 lifts with 4 times weekly. What does that 4 times mean? That means patient can do that exercise Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. That 4 times patient can do that exercise weekly. Within 7 days, 4 times 30 lifts. Now, how we can progress that 10 repetition maximum once a week? Patient can progress that protocol for a week. How we increase the resistance based upon that resistance weight? We can add the weight accordingly. So progress 10 repetition maximum after 7 days. So that is all about